I feel like I'm pretty busy most of the time, whether that's work, personal, family, friends, pickleball, crocheting, and obviously just being with my husband and my dogs at home. And I just want to share more of that with you guys. We were able to stop by the farm and check out the new baby goats and baby lambs. Well, one lamb, but there are, I think, 3 more to be expected like any day now, which is super exciting. And yeah, we're gonna be just showing you guys. Now we are at home relaxing. My husband's going to be developing some more film. He has so much film to develop and he does it himself, so it takes a while, but he'll be doing that. And I started burlesque last night, but I fell asleep. So I'm gonna finish burlesque and probably get into some crafting. I also just finished that yarn piece present for my father-in-law, and I gave it to him and he absolutely loved it. And he was so excited he couldn't wait to show my mother-in-law. But she was out when I gave it to him, so I'm excited for her to see it too. But now that that project is over, because once I have a project in my head, I can't really think past it. I gotta keep going. Now I feel inspired to assemble and make new projects. So I've actually had this piece of yarn that I've knitted. This is so embarrassing. My sister got this for me years ago, my younger sister, and it's Wool and the Gang. It was like a set that came, and I want to say this is like 6 or 7 years old, and I just had this and I didn't really know what to do with it. I didn't have enough yarn to make a scarf, but now that I'm feeling a little bit more confident in my skills, I also have this yarn that my other sister, my oldest sister Sarah, gave me, and this yarn was super thick. I started to crochet this last night and it was a lot thicker than what I was anticipating, so it came out with a super thick band. And as soon as I crocheted this, I'm like, this is like perfect for a purse. Like, this is the perfect thickness and width of a purse handle. So now my thoughts are to make a 2-toned bag with this knit and crochet mixture, which is super cool, mixing the 2 different types of methods to use yarn. But this is the Vision, and I think she is so cute. I think I have to get a zipper for the top, but I'm deciding if I want to weave them together with the remainder of the gray yarn or kind of mix it in with the brown yarn. But either way, I'm super excited for this. This will be my first technical knit handbag for me, and I can't wait to get that going. Okay, so today we are heading to New Smyrna Beach. I'm gonna go visit a friend. She had her second baby last year. Oh gosh, that sounds so bad saying that. But she's 5 months old, so I'm heading to New Smyrna to go visit with her and her 2 baby girls and just chat a little bit. And then also today we are doing a beach bonfire in New Smyrna, and we're gonna be doing kind of like a pre-birthday celebration for my nephews. Their birthday is actually in February, like late February, but they're in town, they're in Florida for kind of like a pre-birthday. They love Florida. So yeah, we're gonna do a beach bonfire because it's a little bit too cold right now to go swimming in the beach, but we still obviously love the ocean and all of the peace and serenity that the ocean offers us. So we're all gonna get bundled up and have some s'mores. My sister got glow sticks for the boys, so that'll be fun, and it's just gonna be a very peaceful time. So right now I'm on my way to go pick up some pub subs. If you know, you know. And I'm gonna just go grab some pub subs to go and head to my friend Kaylee's house to just visit and have fun. Also, side note, I have been audiobooking Sense and Sensibility by Jane Austen, which actually my mom and I are reading Jane Austen's books this year because this is her 250th birthday anniversary. So we are reading the books together, and Sense and Sensibility is book number 1. I'm almost done, you guys. I have 15 minutes left. And also, pro tip, I listen at 1.25 speed just to make it a little bit quicker, but obviously I can still understand the words. It's not like an auctioneer going off in here, but I recommend you check out some Jane Austen books. This one is so amazing, you guys. Sense and Sensibility. So underrated. I've only ever watched Pride and Prejudice movie, and obviously I know that's a Jane Austen book adaptation, so I cannot wait to watch Sense and Sensibility, the movie, with my mom when she's done reading hers as well. But join along, guys. Join the club. Let's go back English literature. On Thursdays, I host a social media club at my office here in Orlando, and I host it with my friend Avery, who is part of the marketing team here, and we are about to get our meeting started. People are going to start trickling in very soon, and we are going over Instagram handles, Instagram bios, an about me post, and who to follow locally here in Orlando. So I'm super excited to host it again today. This is our second one of the year. We just started this in 2025, so stay tuned. Also, go check out my Instagram. It's at Maya Moves Orlando, and check out our team's Instagram, which is at the Nickley Group. You won't regret it.
103L. Yeah, that guy have a white baseball cap on. Not at the time, but she said they both say mid-20s, kind of light blonde hair, light brown hair. We had him on deck. Looked like
The birds are out, if you can hear them. They've been a little quiet for a while for the winter months here in Florida, which they're still out, don't get me wrong, but I swear it's like a welcome back party or something. It's Sunday. I'm going to be going on some showings here shortly, and I'm actually going to be showing a lake view, lake access property on Lake Jessup, which rumor has it here in Orlando is a pretty interesting lake. I guess it has the most like alligator population located in Orlando, and people take their aggressive gators that they catch or something like that to this lake. And when you're driving over there, you don't actually see that many boats or people jet skiing on the lake, probably due to that reason. I'm reflecting back on my week, and it's been eventful. I have been hosting family, as you saw, and it's been really amazing, and some amazing new chapters are coming up, not only in my life, but my family's lives, which is incredible and all positive, and for the most part. But I also needed me time. I feel like after the holidays and hosting family, it's always good to just get grounded and reconnect, you know? And even though I do love spending, like, family is probably the most important thing to me, but spending some time with just myself has also been equally as rewarding. Where maybe in the past that wasn't something that I truly found, like, not necessarily value, but I preferred to be around family and friends more so than being alone. And I feel like entering my 30s, I'm really enjoying some of the solitude and the me time that I'm getting, which has been really interesting for me because I am an extrovert. And I actually saw this study saying that there's no such thing as an introvert extrovert. Like, those are just, made up words. But either way, if I'm an extrovert and I'm channeling my introvert right now, it is a really cool time for me. And I'm just really happy right now with me, in a sense. I mean, I could be better. And I'm working on it. I'm always working on it. I'm the first one to say I'm working on it. And I'm just really enjoying the time I have right now with me. Because you never know what life throws at you. And I'm just taking every moment with family and friends and also with myself. Like, I'm cherishing that. I also wanted to share some things that I am working towards personally. And I'm going to start this video with, these are my goals for this year. And I'm really hoping I hit them. Recording them and sharing them with the world is a level of accountability that a lot of people choose not to share, and that's okay. I've also done that, but I think documenting my life in videos, this will come in handy and help me reflect and be better at have it more top of mind, and it doesn't go back as far and get distracted. So one of my goals this year is to crochet a custom piece and sell it. Everything that I've crocheted thus far has been for myself or family or friends, and I pretty much have been redoing the same patterns. I haven't really explored. That could also be another goal, is just exploring my crochet ability. I've literally probably been making just like the same couple things, and I do enjoy it. It's a really good way to get my hands connected to something and pass time and not be on my phone. So I've really enjoyed that aspect of it. But as far as my creative ability, I would like to tap more into that. And also, again, like, create a custom piece and sell it. I think that would be super cool. So that's definitely a goal of mine this year. And I don't know where I was with this trend in 2020, but I do want to make sourdough bread. I'm 30, you guys. I feel like it comes with the territory. It's a rite of passage. And my oldest sister, Sarah, she's such an inspiration. And she does not, well, she knits and I crochet, but she bakes and can do sourdough, and she's insane. She's like a Kim Kardashian of my life, which is incredible because she's also a mom and a business owner and all these things. So anyways, she sent me a sourdough starter recipe, so I'm going to start that. But I really want to get one of those like Dutch oven, like not crock pot, but there's a specific name for those pans or pots. So I need to get one of those for the bread, and that is definitely a goal of mine this year. I've made bread before, but not sourdough, so this is going to be a trial and error. I know it takes some time to perfect your own personal recipe, so I am going to be working on that this year. And as far as business-wise, I want to sell 25 houses. I can do it. I believe in myself, and not only that, but my team believes in me as well, and that can just put you in such an amazing headspace. So that is something that I'm striving for. And something that we do when we talk about goals is we have a goal and then we have a stretch goal. So my goal is 25, but my stretch is 30. So if I can sell 30 homes this year, like, wow, that's going to be an incredible year. And it's just starting. I'm super excited, and I can do it. I'm going to look back on this video and be like, heck yeah, Maya, you were right. You were right. You could do it. And let's do round 2 in 2026. But let's focus on 2025 for now, so we can just continue to do that.